What's up, guys? This is gonna be me playing basketball with my dog, actually. It might not work. It worked before. Basketball? Really? No, you're not surprised. I'm black. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Racist against myself. Get the fuck. Alright, it's not what you would expect of basketball. It's a little different than you would assume. The basket, or the hoop, well, the hoop is actually a basket, but simply the basket. Which is this. Alright, and I'm competing with this dog over here. Will you watch that dog while I get the basketball? Alright, YouTubers, this is me playing basketball with my dog, basically. So, I know you want to play. Shut up. Here we go. This is a good view of the whole court. Of course, you get a good view of the. Oh Lord, just see my dog. Out the beast. We're playing basketball. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Come on, Katie. Come on. Too good. He's all that shot, right? He's all that shot, right? Hey, it's my ball now. Pass. Stolen. You're not good, kid. Get out of here. Get big. Get big, Kaylee. I'll dribble with you, Kaylee. I'll dribble with you. And got a cup in your neck. Come on. Kaylee, you're not good. You're not good, darling. What is this? 6-0, Kaylee? By the way, YouTubers, Kaylee scores by just giving the ball off a rebound, or yeah, that's what she does. So, but this in. We played this multiple times. She understands the rules. She understands when I say foul that she has to give up the ball. She actually gives up the ball though. You're not good, Kaylee. Watch this off the wall shot. No. Hey. Okay, sweetie, you got that. Okay. You're good. You're good. Ready? You're not good, kid. You're just not good. Watch, I'll even cross over her ass. Here we go. Here we go. You want to see this, YouTubers? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I am proud of playing basketball. What about it? You're upset, Katie. Oh, you're not falling for it? You're not gonna guard me? I'm just gonna go up and shoot then. Alright, Kaylee. You got that point. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. What do you want? Guard me deeply, huh? Huh? Alright, you got that point. Keeping track, I think it's 48, I think. Give me that ball. Off the wall. Come on, Kaylee. can't jump, but as soon as I get the ball, I'm just gonna throw it up. Alright, my ball again. What should I do to her, YouTube? Fake. Oh, bounced out. Alright, drop it. Drop it, Kaylee. Good girl. Good girl. She can do this, but she can't do fetch. Because she don't know YouTube. I'm right behind the camera. And this is about to go in. Oh. Alright, Kaylee. That point two. Think you're good? Because you're not. Because you're not. Huh? Huh? Oh, it's going. No, now you think you're good now, huh? Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. She thinks she's good. She's just gonna keep trying to steal it now. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to the finish. Right. Kobe shot. Jordan. Hey, that's cheating. What's the matter? You know you go outside. Alright, next point wins. Or for this YouTube, I'm gonna cross her over so bad. She's not even guarding me. She's not even. That, my friends, is how you play basketball with your dog. Why am I so good at this? Right, we gotta shake hands. We just had the game, we gotta shake hands. Come here, Katie. Shake my hand. Good game. Good game. Good game. Say bye to YouTube, Katie. Hey. Hey, look. Look at the camera. Kaylee. Look at the camera. Why are you trying to get outside for? Alright. Well, Kaylee doesn't like you guys. And neither do I. Yeah. Moon them, Kaylee. Moon them. That's right. Moon them, Kaylee. Alright, peace. Jamie boy. You know what it is.